Wow, Bitcoin dropped 30%. Warning, this is an emergency. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is one of the emergency episodes where we have the Bitcoin drop on the levels that we didn't want to see. We dropped even to $5,500 over here roughly, and for now we are trading around $6,000. In this episode we're going to discuss what is going on here on the market of the Bitcoin, on the other markets also, altcoin markets, and also when will this bloodbath stop already with this downtrend. We can see over here that already yesterday, if you check our episode, we were trading above this trend line, this important bullish trend line that we had in the previous year or so. Now already, because of the coronavirus panic and many other things, I do not believe that corona has so much impact on this market, but let's say that it is. We are dropping pretty significantly below this big trend line over here that we had. We didn't even had a chance to actually retest it and see where this is going. So this is clearly some sort of a panic attack on the sellers and on the buyers also. So the bulls are lost in control with the Bitcoin officially over here. The reason why I'm saying this is that we are already below all possible moving averages and all possible trend lines for now, except this one over here, red one, which is $6,000, and we all know how important this is. Why? Because we have whole structure over here in 2018 bear market where we build up this level, and also probably we have a lot of buy orders over here, especially on $5,500 level of support, and I'm about to show you why I think this is the end of the road of the bears. Of course, everything could happen. We could possibly go lower, but I don't think so. The reason why, I will show you right now. Already yesterday we discussed about this level. If we switch on one weekly chart, we can see that the most important level of support in the whole Bitcoin market and the whole Bitcoin history is standing there, and that's 200 weekly exponential moving average. One of the things that you need to understand about this moving average is that the Bitcoin has never been lower than this line over here. So right now, at this very moment when I'm actually recording this video, we can see that we are dropping below $6,000, and we are actually retesting and retested this level today. So remember this day when we retested again this level of support. We don't have a lot of history over here on the Coinbase, but we do have on the Bitstamp, and I will not switch it right now. But what I can tell you over here is that the Bitcoin retested this only few times and bounced every time since then. So we don't know what could happen actually with the Bitcoin and the whole crypto market if the Bitcoin starts going below this weekly exponential moving average. The consequences of the whole bull market and the cycle of the halving and the whole structure of the Bitcoin itself could be catastrophic. So we don't know what could happen if we plunge below and actually close this candle, this weekly candle, below $5,500 level of support in that case. So for now we are pretty much strongly bouncing from this level, and Bitcoin bulls are not giving bears a chance to actually go below this level of support. So for now we are still secure above this level. For now we are going to watch only weekly chart, because everything lower than this is just wasting time. Right now Bitcoin is still in big volatility, and we are trading $500 up and down in few minutes. So we need to see stagnation in this drop already, in this bloodbath, in order to see some sort of a new targets and the resistance and supports, what the Bitcoin will do next. Of course, there is possible connection with the coronavirus that is actually happen on the markets, and that could actually lead more traders, more other people to sell, especially weak and stupid money, to sell more stocks, crypto, bonds, whatever they have, in order to get get into other assets as it's gold, which is safe haven asset, and unfortunately Bitcoin for now still didn't prove that it's safe haven asset as many discussed about it as the gold is. So as we can see, gold is in pretty much good trend on the way to the upside. S&P 500 stocks is down already 20% if I remember very good. Yeah, we have 20% drop. Ethereum is also dropping pretty significantly on some major level, and in this case the oil is also in some sort of a capitulation. If you want to ask me what you should do right now, I did bought some Bitcoin on below $6,000 on around these levels, and there is a big probability that I will buy more Bitcoins if we do not start going on the way to the upside in next few days or so. This is the very good opportunity to actually buy new assets when everything is down. Because of this panic, there is a big probability that Bitcoin and many other assets will not hold this level of structures for too long. Again, on the other side, we do have recession and depressions, or who knows what will happen with the markets, and many things will start going down, and this is the reason why I suggest to you to start saving money, and after that doing the dollar cost averaging. If you want to actually invest in these sort of situations, which you should when everything is going down and when everything is cheap, do the dollar cost average thing. Do not buy all at once. So buy dollar cost averaging, and in that case you will not catch the falling knife and screw yourself, but you're actually going to find some average good price when everything starts turning around and actually go on the way to the upside. So make sure you do the dollar cost averaging and you save money in order to make money when everything is going on the way to the upside. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Please make sure you do your dollar cost averaging, and you will be grateful to yourself in the late period of time when every single market starts to going on the way to the upside. This is not permanent state. Remember that. If you think long term, then I'm not worrying about you. If we switch on altcoin market, we can see Bloodbath of 30%. Also, I thought this is going to be even worse, but for now, yeah, we are bleeding above 20%, and it's nothing good for now. We don't have green candles, we don't have green bars over here, so yeah, we need to see where this is going. But as I can see those prices, this is very cheap. We have Binance coin on $10 almost. We have XRP on 15 cents. Ethereum dropped from $200 on 140. This is insane. Link 2.37. Wow, 40% drop. This is very cheap. I'm really sorry for those people who were buying this coin on $4 when everything was going on the way to the upside few weeks ago, but for now unfortunately we are all down. Also Cardano, my average price over here is around 3 and something cents, I don't know, 4 cents maybe, and for now we are on 2.8. Yeah, everybody are down, so not judge yourself or anything. Everything will come back into place, and remember, you did not lose until you sell. So make sure you hodl and everything will be fine. I promise to you. Just look at these prices. There is a big probability that I will invest heavily into Bitcoin and into some other altcoins that are pretty much in bloodbath right now. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to hit that like, dislike or subscribe button just to let me know that you are alive. We are all in this together, and I will keep making videos into the bears, into the bulls, into the stagnation, in every single possible market that we have and situations on these markets. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. As and always, until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.